Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to create stunning real estate promo animations in Canva. First, click Create, then select Videos. For this tutorial, choose a landscape video to proceed. Next, go to Elements, search for images, and type apartment to find relevant pictures for your project or presentation. Select one to use. First, delete the existing video from the timeline. Next, go to the Photos library and select the images you want to add. Drag the chosen photos into the timeline where the video was. Arrange them as needed to create your desired sequence in the project. To add these images and remove the background, the correct method is to select the image. Then click Remove Background in the toolbar options. Drag and drop the image to reposition it. Next, adjust the image size by dragging its corners. Then, add another image by repeating the drag and drop process. Continue arranging images as needed for your design. First, add your images to the project. Next, select all images by clicking and dragging or using the selection tool. Then, click the Animate button to open animation options. Choose the desired animation effect from the list. Finally, adjust the animation speed using the slider to make the motion faster or slower, ensuring the animation fits your presentation style perfectly. Adjust the density, then add a blank page for the background. Change the background color as needed. Select the desired color from the palette. This allows customization to fit your design requirements efficiently and enhances visual appeal for your project. You can add a stroke style to the borders by selecting the border option. Then, increase the stroke size to enhance the border's visibility and customize the look according to your design preferences. Next, duplicate this layer to create animation. Select the layer, right-click, and choose Duplicate. Move the duplicate slightly to adjust timing or position. Repeat this process to build frames, producing a smooth animated sequence step by step. Apply Match Move for the transition. Select the images, hold Shift, then press Ctrl+D to duplicate them. Now you have your copies ready to use for the next step in your project. This helps maintain consistency during the transition effect. Drag the selected item down to the next slide to continue the sequence. Next, we'll make adjustments by dragging the handle to resize the element. Click and hold the edge, then move it to the desired position. Release the mouse to apply the changes. This method allows precise control over the layout and design. Select the object you want to resize. Click and drag the corner handles to adjust its size proportionally. To resize freely, hold the Shift key while dragging. Release the mouse button when the object reaches the desired dimensions. Use the Properties panel for precise measurements by entering specific width and height values. To maintain aspect ratio, ensure the lock icon is active. Preview the adjustments and make further changes as needed for optimal layout and design balance. Next, click the play button to watch the preview. Since this is a match and move animation, observe how the elements smoothly transition. Use the preview to verify timing and effects before finalizing your project. Adjust settings as needed to ensure a polished result. Click the preview button to watch how the feature works. This allows you to see the results in real time before finalizing your changes or sharing the project with others. Let's change the animation to flow. Next, add a new slide. Choose a blank layout, then insert a text box. Click inside the text box and type your desired text. Adjust the font size and style as needed. This will create a smooth transition effect and add clear information to your presentation. Proceed with the next slide. To create headlines as questions, start by identifying the main topic. Frame it by adding words like how, why, or what to spark curiosity. Ensure the question directly relates to your content and promises value or solutions. Keep it clear and concise, avoiding overly complex language. Use question headlines to engage readers, encouraging them to click or read further. This approach increases interaction by prompting the audience to find answers within your content. Add the item here, then reduce its duration to fit the timeline. Adjust the length by dragging the edge or entering a specific time value. This ensures smooth transitions and maintains the overall flow of your project. Use the preview to confirm the changes before moving on to the next step. The options will appear after this video or after this text, allowing you to choose the next step in the process smoothly and continue with your workflow efficiently. Set the video to appear later in the timeline. Next, preview the video to check timing. After confirming, proceed to add any additional elements or effects as needed. Add the typewriter animation to your text. Next, Increase the animation speed to make it faster. Adjust the duration as needed to fit your timing preferences. Use the animation pane to fine-tune the effect. This creates a dynamic writing effect that enhances your presentation's visual appeal and keeps your audience engaged. Select the text to apply the burst effect, which adds dynamic emphasis. Next, choose a text effect to enhance its appearance and make it more visually appealing. Preview different options to find the style that best matches your project. Adjust the intensity and animation settings as needed for a polished look. Combining the burst effect with text styles creates engaging and professional visuals effortlessly. Select the text to change, then click the text color button to pick your desired color option. Drag the clip to the beginning of the timeline. Adjust its position precisely by dragging left or right until it aligns perfectly. Use the zoom tool if needed for finer control. This ensures your clip starts exactly where you want it in your project, maintaining proper sequence and timing within your video edit. Select the background settings, then choose and apply a smooth gradient to enhance your design's visual appeal. To add and adjust a new color, open the color palette. Click the plus icon to create a new swatch. Select your desired hue, then use the sliders to fine-tune saturation and brightness. Confirm your choice by clicking Apply. This lets you customize your design with precise color adjustments, enhancing visual appeal and consistency within your project. Repeat as needed for additional colors. Click the Animate button to apply motion effects. Use the available options to customize the animation settings. Preview your changes to ensure the desired effect before saving your work. Select the Gradient tool. Choose a brighter color from the palette. Apply the new gradient to your object. Adjust the angle and intensity as needed. This enhances the visual appeal with a more vibrant color transition in your design. Click the play button to start the video. If it doesn't load, refresh the page or check your internet connection. Ensure your speakers or headphones are properly connected for sound playback. To save time, apply saturation to the selected area. First, select the region you want to adjust. Then, open the saturation settings and increase or decrease the level as needed. This method allows you to quickly enhance or mute colors in specific parts of your image, streamlining your workflow and improving efficiency. Use this technique to efficiently refine visuals without affecting the entire image, saving both time and effort. You can also reduce this item by selecting it and using the decrease size option in the toolbar. Adjust the size until it fits your desired layout. This helps create a balanced and organized design. Use the undo button if you make a mistake. Repeat the process with other elements for consistent spacing and alignment throughout your project. Click the Add button to insert a new blank field. Position the cursor where you want the blank and select the blank option from the toolbar. This allows you to create a space for users to fill in answers. Adjust the size and format of the blank as needed to match your document style. Use this feature to create customizable forms or quizzes with fillable blanks for easy user interaction and accurate data collection. You can add this site or use it as an apartment background. Next, select the Graphics tab. Choose the desired graphic element to enhance your design. Adjust its size and position as needed. This helps create a visually appealing layout. Explore different options to find the best fit for your project and improve the overall look efficiently. Drag the object to the desired position on the slide. Next, open the Animation tab and select an animation effect to enhance your presentation. Adjust the animation settings as needed to create smooth and engaging motion. Click the play button to start the video. Watch the entire clip from beginning to end without interruption. Use the progress bar to track how much has played. If needed, pause to review any section. Adjust the volume or enable closed captions for better clarity. To replay, click the replay button or drag the progress indicator back to the start. This way, you can view the full video seamlessly and understand its content completely. Adjust the quality settings before clicking download. To finish, press share to share your file or download to save it to your device. Now you know how to create a real estate animation promo in Canva. Like and subscribe for more quick design tips.